Today on the menu, orange chicken. The chicken is battered and then oven baked, and then we made a sauce from scratch. Start by adding some coconut oil to a pot. And then add in some minced garlic and some fresh ground ginger. We are now going to add in some rice wine vinegar. And then some black sesame seeds. Then add some coconut aminos and some orange juice. If you want to know the exact proportions I use in this recipe, check the link below. To give our sauce some extra sweetness, we're going to add some honey. And then to quickly thicken the sauce, we're going to add some coconut flour. Stir this in 1 tablespoon at a time. 2 tablespoons should be enough, but you might want to add a third if you want a really thick sauce. We're going to finish off the sauce with some orange zest. Remove the sauce from the heat, and now let's get started on the chicken. In a large bowl, add 1 cup almond flour to a 1/2 cup coconut flour, and then crack an egg on it. Whisk this in, and then we're going to add in some water. Whisk this in again, realize a whisk is a terrible tool for the job, and then grab a fork. Keep adding water a little at a time until you get a thick pancake batter-like consistency. Then add your chicken to the batter. Start coating the chicken with the batter. You want to make sure that all the pieces have a nice good coat on them. Transfer all your pieces to a pan with a rack, and then place in the oven at 400 degrees. They should be done in an hour, but you want it to be golden brown with an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now finish off your orange chicken by giving them a good coat of sauce. Still hungry? Check out my chicken teriyaki recipe.